Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? So, ang reading natin ngayon is may magkukross ang landas ninyo ng taong ito. Okay, you will be cross path with this person so soon. So, alamin natin kung kailan at sino yung taong ito at ano ang intensyon niya sa inyo, no? Spirit guides, let us know the initials, the person na magkukross path ang landas ng kanilang ating mga collective. Sino itong taong ito? Spirit guides. Okay. Alright. So we have here B, H, K, D, R, A. Guys, pakilakasan na lang ng volume ha kung hindi nyo masyadong narinig. Alam kong iba-iba ang gamit ng gadgets natin. Pakiintindi na lang, huwag tayong bitter. Love, love, love lang tayo dito sa aking vlog, dito sa aking tarot reading. Okay, sa ating YouTube channel. We have here A. Okay, so these are the initials. And kailan itong tao na magkakross-path ninyo, na magkatagpo ninyo? Kailan to spirit ka rin dyan ito mag-cross-path? Okay. So we have here number 6, 2, 8, number 10. We have here 10. Okay, 10, 6, 2, okay, 62. Maybe this could be the age or, you know, birth date niya. Again, these are the signs na magkukross ang landas ninyo ng taong ito. Okay, or siguro days. Maybe 10 days from now, 2 days from now, 8 days from now, 6 days from now. Okay, mangyari na ito. Or it could be weeks, no? 6 weeks from now, 2 weeks from now, 10 weeks from now, or 8 weeks from now. Alright, so you'll be crossing paths with this person. So magkikita ka ng taong ito. Or magkatagpo kayo ng taong ito. Alamin natin kung ano ang intensyon ng taong ito sa inyo. Alright. Alright, Spirit Guardians, bakit pa magkita or magtagpo ang taong ito? Ang taong ito kay ating collective, magkukross path ang kanilang landas. Saglit lang guys ha. Okay. Let us know more about this person. Who is this person na magkukross path ang ating mga collective? Okay, Justice. Ay, parang ano to, nagkaka-reverse-reverse yung mga baraha. Wait lang ha. So we have here Justice in reverse and this could be a family member, no? Maybe this is your ex-family member. Maybe there's about like related sa paperwork, kaya mag-cross path kayo, or this could be your wish fulfillment, no? Okay, you know what? Parang na ano ko dito. Spirit guides, tell me more about this Justice in reverse. Why is this the Justice in reverse? Okay, Ace of Swords. This is like about your intuition. Your intuition or your plan. Siguro iniisip itong taong ito. Maybe lately siya ang lagi mong iniisip. Or lumalabas sa iyong isipan, this person, maybe your ex-person. Or a paperwork. Related siguro sa paperwork. And that's why you have been thinking about this lately. Okay, why is this about, because justice about like integrity, success, very successful, logic, matalino, powerful mindset. Okay. Okay. I'm also gonna like, you could be na overthink ka. Maybe lately, ang laman ng isipan mo is all about this situation. No, itong justice. Siguro, you are feeling injustice at this moment. I don't know why you're feeling injustice. Kaya siguro magkukross path na, that's why we have this cross path because meron dapat dito na mag-closure. Maybe you need clarity about the situation. It could be a family member or about a person, ex-person. Okay, that's the energy that I'm getting for you. No, maybe that's a thing like idea. Yeah, something about na nagpapagulo ng iyong isipan about this situation. Paperwork, a person, ex-person, yeah. Or siguro you feeling like injustice about this person, a family member. Okay? Magko-cross path kayo ng taong ito. Maybe there's like an unfinished business, no? Kayo ng taong ito. This person. Yeah, feeling like an unfinished business na dapat matapos ito. Magkakaroon ka ng justice. And finally, soon, no? Makakaramdam ka rin ng justification about the situation. Unfinished business. May hindi natapos. Kaya feeling defeated ka siguro ng time na iyon. Something it is. It could be a situation sa school, paperwork, family member, or an ex-partner, ex-relationship, something like that. Whatever feeling na injustice ka. Alright? Yeah. Alright, Spirit, can you just tell me more about this? 10 of Cups. Okay. You know, about this magko-cross path. When you are finally feeling this closure, I'm hearing like regret. I don't know why I'm feeling regret. Siguro may mga bagay na nagsisisi ka. That's why it keep coming back. Thinking about this feeling injustice. May mga dapat na i-clarity. Clearing the situation. Siguro until now you are still holding on from the past. Ex-lover, a family member. No, na it's like it's draining your energy at this moment. You are feeling drained about this situation. Alright? And that's why you're feeling like lost. Maybe you are feeling lost yung iba dito sa inyo. Maybe you are constantly thinking about this person. Maybe this person is coming back. That's why I'm getting like magko-cross path. Maybe this person, the person or situation that you are thinking right now, or situation right now, magko-cross path. You will be crossing this situation again with this person. Because I'm getting like a success, a new beginning, completion. Maybe may chance pa na magkabalikan kayo ng partner mo. If ever na mafi-fix pa ang inyong problema, ang mga gusot. There could be a relationship na magbalikan, may chance pa na magkabalikan muli. Because here, meron dito sa inyo, very specific, you are feeling injustice. May mga closure na dapat na i-closure. You know, something about na you are feeling unfair because you want to be fair. To be treated fair. I'm getting like this person, magko-cross path kayo. It's because of this, your guides. This person's being guided towards you. Giniguide itong taong ito na darating sa buhay mong muli. Okay? Within 6 days, 2 days, 10 days, 8 days, or on the 6th, the 2nd, the 10th, or 8th. It could be an hours. So this is timeless. Whenever you watch this reading, this is timeless, guys. Because anytime, yung iba dito sa inyo ay mangyari na. This will be crossing path. Magko-cross path or magtatagpo kayo ng taong ito. Or there will be like a closure na mangyari sa inyo. Or finally, marireceive mo itong closure at least sa sarili mo man lang. You will be feeling completion when you receive this closure from this person or a situation. Clarity. It's like you, inside you, sa sarili mo, deep down, your soul is like longing for this closure, this clarity. It's gonna be happening so soon. Because this person is being guided. Darating na siya. Ito, tumatakbo na siya. Okay? Sasakay na siya. Siguro magta-travel pa ito, or siguro nagmumotor itong taong ito, or masyadong adventurous, whatever it is, this person is rushing in to get back, or it could be an information. Darating at magkukross path kayong dito. Makukuha mo itong justification, itong clarity. You'll be feeling soon completion, success. It's like a dream come true mo na ito. No? So, whatever you are praying, siguro minamanifest mo siya, or itong sitwasyon na ito, whatever it is, mangyari na. So soon. Alright? Alamin natin kung sino itong tao. Or ano yung, again, guys, kunin nyo lang ha kung saan kinakasonate dahil mix ang energy natin dito. Hindi po ito private reading. Kung hindi man kinakasonate dito, hindi ito para sa inyo. Baka sa next reading natin, makukuha natin ang inyong energy. So, wag lang tayo magalit. Again, love lang tayo dito. Respect lang. And alamin natin kung anong intensyon ng taong ito or this situation na magko-cross path sa inyo. Alright? Spirit Rangers, ano ang intensyon ng taong ito? Bakit ba siya, ano ang intensyon? Okay? In general, ano ang intensyon? Ba't magko-cross path? Alright. Kailangan talaga ng pagtutulungan. Returning, see? May magbabalik. May maghihingi ng pagpapatawad. Magko-cross path kayo is because the universe want you to have this peace of mind. Feeling justice. Because right now you are feeling defeated, injustice. Because you deserve this closure, this clarity. This person is coming back or this situation is coming back. May magbabalik. Or may mangyayari. Mangyari ito. Okay, definitely. 6 days, 2 days, 10 days, 8 days. Okay, hours. Okay, or weeks. Yes. Itong mga overthinking, overanalyzing, mag-i-end din ito. There will be a completion. You will be feeling satisfied about this situation na mangyari. It could be somebody, a lover, no? Na magbibigay ng regalo sa iyo or hihingi ng pagpapatawad. This is like from the past. A past situation, a person, a situation, whatever it is, it's coming back. Magkukross ulit ang inyong landas. Because this person is returning. This person is being guided by the universe, your spirit team, spirit guide. Okay? Yeah, there will be a communication. A communication na magkikick in, na darating. You'll be receiving this communication. Alright? Because this person's, or this situation, a person is being guided to happen. No? For you. Because hinihiling mo ito. Maybe you are feeling drained at this moment, guys. Make sure you do some meditation, no, para hindi ka ma-overthinking or ma-drain ang iyong energy. Kasi meron itong, the more na iniisip mo itong sitwasyon na ito or the person on your mind, mas nadidrain ka, feeling injustice. So, i-pray nyo na ito kay universe, continue in praying kasi it's working. Whatever feeling na injustice, defeated. Because this person is coming in or the situation is coming in and you will be feeling this completion. Alright? Happy family. Mabubuo muli ang itong pangarap mo, itong hinihiling mo, no, a new beginning from this person or a new beginning for yourself. So we have here H, B, K, I, A, D, R, A, A, L. So again, kunin nyo lang itong letrang ito, no, sa person na darating na mag-cross path ang landas ninyo. Alright? Meron itong past lover, past event, most likely something na feeling defeated ka with this situation. Alright? Okay, if this is about the person, who is this person? Spirit Rangers, if this is about the person, who is this person na magko-cross path ng ating collective? Who is this person? Idea. May mga sinyalis tayo, no? Okay. Na ito ay malapit na mangyayari. So we have here, guro, matalino. This person is very, it's like a teacher for you. Marami ka siguro natutunan sa taong ito. It's like a, like again, you have learned so much from this person. Okay? So maybe you looked up about this person or siguro ina-admire mo siya. Very admirable. Okay, we have here foreigner. Maybe you're dealing with a foreigner. Negosyante. Foreigner na, negosyante pa. Mahirap. Okay. Mahilig sa mga hayop. Maybe this person's really, I'm getting like this person's very loyal, no? Loving, and mahilig sa mga hayop. Siguro may aso siya. May pusa. Helping kids, charity. So this person is going to, maybe mahilig siya magbigay ng mga tulong, mga, you know what I mean? Mga very charitable person. Tomboy, maybe there's like a different gender. Okay. Long distance, again, foreigner, negosyante, long distance, malay ka sa taong ito, this person is coming in, you soon meeting this person. Smart, nasabi ko na kanina, matalino, very smart, We have here letter T. You are dealing with the person na may letrang T or earth sign, no? Okay, so yes or no na tayo para mas ma-confirm pa natin itong darating sa buhay mo, itong magko-cross path sa buhay mo. Or think about something, alright? So, pause the video, mag-meditate ng konti, and isalarawan ninyo ang sitwasyon or itong hinihiling ninyo or tinatanong ninyo sa barahan natin dito. And the answer will be yes or no. So, pause nyo muna, alright? And ask a question. Alright, spirit team, angels, yes or no sa ating mga collective. Whatever they're asking, yes or no. Okay. So we have here maybe. I'm hearing like 50-50. Maybe. Alright. Siguro ayaw lang talaga. Okay. So the bottom naman is yes. May maybe and yes. So again, if this is about person na darating, magko-cross path kayo, be real. Be truthful. Magpakatotoo ka sa nararamdaman ninyo and be honest. If this is about the person na darating na magko-cross path ang inyong landas ng taong ito. Maging totoo kayo sa nararamdaman ninyo. Mapa-bitterness man, kahit mga puot, sabihin ninyo na sa taong ito because you deserve this closure, clarity. Alright? Because this is, binigyan kayo ng pagkakataon ng universe to reunite with this person or this situation. Alright? And communication, like again, nasabi ko na kanina, you will be having communication with this person na magbabalik. You are feeling injustice. Soon, you will be receiving this communication completion that finally, you will be feeling justice about this situation or this person. Again, maybe this person could be a cheater or scheming something very dangerous. Enemy, maybe you are, this could be an enemy na magkukross path kayo, spying, resourceful strategy. So again, kailangan nyo lang ng strategy about this feeling injustice. Alright? Maybe you need to do some healing. Baka kailangan nyo ng healing, kaya siguro hindi pa kayo napag-move on, no? Kailangan nyo lang na i-clear ang inyong mindset about the situation and let it go. No? I-let go muna and then let the God handle all this situation or this person. And soon you will be receiving this answer, a guidance, because this person or situation will be guided towards you for you to receive this completion or healed. Finally, na makapag-move on or makapag-hilom na itong sakit, itong feeling na injustice. Alright? So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana ay naka-resonate ka sa reading na ito and nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. Please leave your comment below and nag-enjoy po ako na mabasa ang inyong mga message, no? Or mga compliment din. Nakakatuwa mga kapatid at mahal na mahal ko po kayo and na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat dito sa mga tubatang kilik dito sa aking reading or any of my tarot reading videos. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi at mag-enjoy kayo. Enjoy lang and iwasan mag-isip ng mga negatibong bagay. Always keep your energy high and protected. Alright, so believe in yourself, believe in God, believe in the universe ways of how they handle all of this situation. No, may mga pagsubok man sa buhay and then later on, it's not just everything is muulan lang, there will be a sun. There will be a rainbow despite of all of this situation. Alright, so I love you guys, mag-ingat kayo palagi and goodbye.